No, he tried to fight me when I was trying to.
He's not fighting. Is this him?
That's him. He's been very unruly.
Hey, sir. Can you just step off first? We can talk. Yep. Is that him? Who is it? Come on over here, man.
I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff here in a minute.
I need to get my stuff.
Let's talk about it real quick.
Yeah, I need to get my stuff.
I get that. Let's talk about it and maybe you can still fly.
Talk about what?
I need to figure out. I just got here.
I already was talking to
So let's just talk about it.
They're saying that there's no way. Like, I already told them. I went.
Okay.
I'm just trying to. And I don't want to wait another 5 hours.
I get it, but we got to talk about it, bro.
No, you do. I know your police tactics. I deal with police before. I've been arrested.
Cool. That's cool.
You're just.
So I don't want
to. Plane.
I don't want to arrest you right now. You still got to get off the plane, though.
Arrest me for what? What
Trespassing on the plane.
What crime have I committed?
That's it. They don't want you here. They just want you to leave.
Well.
Okay, cool. Can get your stuff.
Come on, bro. Let's go.
You already know what time it is, bro. Unball your fist.
That's not a crime.
You're right.
That's not.
But it is a threat.
It's not.
Right?
I'm not threatening you at all.
I need hands. No hands.
Do you want to see this?
I'm good with that. Nah, he's in the galleyway. He just wants to get his stuff, so we're trying to get his stuff so he can walk off. That's it. They're getting your stuff now.
Sure, right? Why are you trying my property?
They're shoes, bro. Right now, I just asked you to get off. We would get that stuff nicely. You're not doing it. So I'm not playing nice anymore. That's all you got to do.
I'm not weird, bro.
That's cool. Right now, they don't want you on the plane. That's it.
I can't move along so I can.
Oh, now you want to get off. Thank you.
Good luck to you guys got weapons, bro.
Where's his stuff at?
That was his boots. That's apparently all he had.
Just the boots?
Yeah, just the boots, I guess.
That's all you got is boots?
I swear, bro. No, I have my luggage, bro. I don't know where it's at.
Did you check it in?
Yes, I did.
Okay, it'll be at your destination.
Is it on the plane or did you check?
You guys are lucky you guys have weapons, bro.
Walk on up. Walk on up.
Let's go.
Hold on. Let's get airside. All you gotta do is walk up.
Go walk up. Let's go. Let the go. Let's go. You guys need weapons, bro. But without that weapon and badges, bro, that's isolating. You guys get beat the up, bro. Guaranteed. Yeah, police. You guys ain't shit, bro. You guys are pussies, bro. You guys be
Keep walking, bro.
What?
I said keep walking.
Oh, what are you gonna do?
Sir, please stop acting disorderly. Just walk towards the gate, please.
Bro.
All right, sir. There's children around. You don't need to be using that language here.
You're a bitch.
I understand that, sir. You're more than welcome to, but there's children.
Grow some hair.
That way, bro. Right here, dog.
All right, let him sit. Let him sit. You want to sit here? No problem. Can I get airside? He's refusing to leave. Give him a route out.
That's the way out right there, the train, right? Yeah.
Or where?
To get out of the airport right now.
Right there.
You're not going through the flight right now. You understand that, right?
I'm not going.
That way is your way out.
Where's? Shut the f up. Where's my new flight? They said they would give me a new
not
flight.
coming, sir. You've been denied boarding. So your flight is on the way out, and you have to book another one. Whatever airline's going to happen. Or you can go with what was that? Spirit? You can go with Spirit County.
And where's my money?
That's not our problem, sir. Our problem is you acting disorderly. On the flight and off the flight. Your exit's on that trim. You have an exit way.
You're a fucking pussy, bro. You know that? You're a bitch, alright? You need a weapon, but without all that shit, bro, you ain't nothing but a bitch, alright?
Okay, sir.
You guys get off my nutsack. You guys want to fuck? You want dick or what?
I'm not on your nutsack, sir. Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing
Please
me?
keep walking, sir.
Why are you pushing me?
Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing me? Leave your take your hands off of me.
My hand's not on you. Keep walking. Keep walking, sir.
You get the fuck out of my face and
Keep
I
walking,
will.
sir.
Back the fuck up. Get away from me. Get away from me.
hands down.
Get the fuck away from me.
Exit. He needs an exit.
I will
Exit
fucking
that way.
exit, bro.
Walk.
Nah. Don't yell in my fucking face.
All you gotta do is walk.
You're gonna hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Exactly.
Walk that way.
I will when you back up.
I don't need to
Get
back
out of
up. I'm doing my
face.
job.
Then I don't need to walk.
Please leave. Your exit's right there.
Right? You're not hard, bro. Not hard. Get the out of my face.
This is my airport, bro.
Get the out of my face.
Please keep
You want
walking.
to book a flight, you go that way.
Get out of my face.
If you want to go to jail, hang out here. So you do
Where's
something
airside?
Get out of my face. Get the out of my face.
Don't hold your fist up! Hands behind your back!
All right, yes, sir.
Do it now!
Give us your hands.
Yes, sir.
There you go. I got one.
I got one.
On the air side.
I told you not to ball your fist up!
Anything in socks?
No.
Anything in socks? No. You sure? Let me see.
You're on the waist.
Anything in this sock here? Are you sure, sir? Yes, sir. Let me double check. Yes, nothing in your
You're on
shoes.
the waist.
When this officer was talking to you, you had your right fist balled up. That's what you're going to jail for. You want him trespassed?
Yeah, I do have the trespass you warning.
Okay.
Can you take us to go 14 if you're in South 700?
Where's your ID at?
Back pocket.
Roll over.
Next stop, Terminal A Indian. Terminal A Indian. Doors are now open.
What was going on before he got arrested? Can I ask?
He was refusing to get off the flight, and then he balled up his fist on me, and then had a stack of passengers blocking him from getting down the alleyway. Or the
Okay. Well,
alleyway.
he didn't want to leave the
He was
flight.
getting rowdy, and guess he wanted to leave his flight. He was so rowdy, I didn't even get a chance to talk to him down there.
Oh, okay.
So we followed him out here, where he balled up his fist at an officer, and we took him down.
Okay.
That's why we called for you, trying to get you to come there, because without you, we don't have a trespass.
Yeah. Okay. Of course.
We were coming down, we were at this gate, active call, right? Fight in progress. I get down there, I'm like, this really big guy in front of me. So I tap on my shoulder, hey sir, you want to step off? He's like, no, it's not him, it's him. I'm like, okay, cool, sir, step off and talk to me. No, not without my stuff. He only had a set of brown boots. Finally get the brown boots, chuck him off the plane. I see his fist balled up around the ticket. I'm like, hey man, don't do that. Finally gets off. He's talking shit all the way back to here. And then we're like, hey, keep moving. I was like, hey, keep moving. And once he comes down here, he's like, get off my knees and I'll move. I was like, get moving. He goes, don't yell at me. Okay. And Pete Mendenkamp comes over and starts talking to him. I see his hand come up like this. I'm like, oh, fuck.
So are there charges like back at the gate, or
I
is
didn't
it-
even get to that.
Okay.
You guys good with me if I go check on that? Did anything happen on the flight with that gentleman?
No, negative. Apparently, as the flight attendants called me down, because I'm the station supervisor,
Right.
I went to see what he was doing. So apparently, inside the aircraft, he was, I guess somebody sitting next to him or something, and he didn't want it, him that close. So he started going like he was doing when you guys got here. So then
He's hitting his fist into his open palm like this? Okay.
threatening, very threatful. And then he said, I got to go to the bathroom. And he came from his seat all the way to the first class bathroom, went in there, and that's when I arrived to the scene. So when I went over there, the flight attendant said that she was being nasty to them, cursing at them, and I said, can I see your boarding pass? And then he's like, what you want my boarding pass for, bro? I get out of here.
Number 16182, 16182, you're in for the 29 p.m.
Stood there, I said, I just need your boarding pass. Then he handed it over to me. When I'm going to look at his name and
Back to
everything,
Christian
he
Alexander.
snatched it from my hand, and he's like, you need to move the
Right.
I need to go back to my seat. I said, sir, did you have any carry-on luggage with you? I need you to talk inside the aircraft. You're not going to be flying on this flight today. And then he just started going, oh, you're lucky, OPD, you're lucky. We can do this right here. You know, being dreadful. So I wouldn't budge because I was blocking the walkway to like prevent him from going back into the aircraft. But then when you guys arrived, that's when everything started.
When you went from going
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your number? Pretty girl.
Sorry about that, sir. Honestly. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking about.
Yeah, we don't even know.
I was just fucking.
military flight 56 with Colin at the information desk on level 6. The reference is white. She's an 82-year-old. They should be no one in Jack.
Hold on. She said, Sarge, did you say hold on? Alright.
Anything in your pockets? No.
I already went through pretty much everything, but
Oh my.
go ahead and give
Got a
him.
read?
Alright. Take a seat.
You're also being trespassed from the airport. They said just give you a year. You can't come back to this airport for a year, okay?
Roll the window down. Shut the door.
Let me make sure I can log on. Huh?
10-4.
You're getting charged with disorderly conduct and assault on a law enforcement officer. Yes, that's why. Straight. That you balled your fist at an officer. We've already explained this to you.
I was just because I have anger issues. I was trying. It wasn't a threat.
Okay, well, we deemed it to be enough of a threat to feel like we needed to do what we had to do. Yeah, you can request it. You can request it. You can do that on your own time. No, that's not hitting him. That's battery on a law enforcement officer. I'm not going to have this conversation with you right now.